guys. So today we're heading out of Luang Prabang to go do a loop of the north. Got a little bit of a late start. We had a birthday party yesterday, so the head was knocking a little bit this morning. Took us a little time to get out of bed. Went back to sleep like 2-3 times. But finally we're up and out, and now we're just running by the bank real quick to get some dollars, and then heading onwards to Pak Beng. Today we're gonna try and take the new road through Chompet straight to Hongsa instead of going via Sayaburi or Mungnan way. So hopefully it's supposed to be like an hour shortcut. I've driven this road a long time ago before it was actually a road. It was just like a dirt track and plenty of river crossings and stuff, so it'll be quite interesting to see how it's changed and how it's different. They made this project in an attempt to make it quicker to get to the Thai border to connect Luang Prabang to Thailand, and it's supposed to be a really nice road. I remember that it's very beautiful scenery, but let's see how good the tarmac is, and we'll go on from there. It should be about a 180-kilometer ride today to Pak Beng, and we're gonna just kind of hang out there, and I think we'll probably stay an extra day in Pak Beng and check that out. Hopefully all goes well, all goes good. It's gonna be a little bit weird to be back on the bike. We haven't driven in about 5 days. We really just enjoyed Luang Prabang and seeing our friends, so it's been really good. So we'll see you guys on the road. What's up, guys? We're stopping here. Sophie needed to take a quick jungle potty break. We're off in the bushes here. Unfortunately, there's no rest stops here on this road, so she's just gonna have to tough it out and be all natural. The views are just incredible, like amazing. We're just mountaintop to mountaintop to mountaintop. The road is amazing condition, super nice, smooth, brand new, but wow, you can really tell why it took them 4 years to build this road, because on every turn, every corner, they're cutting half a mountain away. But incredible. It's really nice to drive the road. It's a really good touring road, and the views, again, spectacular. It's completely different than from what I remember it to be, because it used to just be a small dirt track road that went through, and it would take you quite a long time, but we're just kind of cruising through it, and I mean, now you can just rip it on this road. I'm sure anybody with a big bike would love this road, but surprisingly enough, there's not that many villages. There's a few small, like I would say, groupings of houses, but we've only gone through about 3 or 4 villages, but I guess it is quite remote out here, so there wouldn't not be any reason for them to, well, there's plenty of reason, because they would just come use the resources from the jungle, but it's a bit tough for them to get to the cities. Well, a lot better, a lot easier now with a nicely paved road than it was with the dirt road, but it's still quite far from any of the big cities or major villages. So anyway, but amazing riding, great day. Sophie's not feeling so hot, she's got a little bit of headache, so we're taking it a little bit slow, but other than that, all good. We still got another, I think, 45 kilometers to Hongsa, and then another 60 from there to Pak Beng. So we'll just push on so we can try and get there early afternoon and relax by the riverside a little bit. Already made it to our lovely room this evening. We've already exploded our stuff everywhere. Nice little suite. Got a little balcony here. See the Mekong. It's gonna be a beautiful sunset. Beautiful sunset. Amazing room. We're here at the Pak Beng Lodge, Sanctuary Pak Beng Lodge.